Welcome to this instructional video for the Redexim Speedseed. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the most important procedures and tips for effectively using this machine. Safety instructions. This video does not replace the manual. For safe operation, always read and fully understand the operator's manual before using the machine and follow all safety instructions. Only operate the Speedseed on grass surfaces. Always switch off the tractor engine during adjustments and repairs. Wear appropriate protective clothing, such as steel toe cap boots and fitted workwear. Visual check. Before using the machine, inspect it for any visible damage or defects. Make sure all bolts and components are properly tightened. And always check that the seed shaft rotates correctly before operation. Regular checks are essential. Loose components can reduce performance and may pose safety risks. Connecting and leveling. Connect the Speedseed to the tractor using the 3-point linkage by carefully reversing the tractor's lifting arms towards the machine. Remove the connecting pins and make sure the correct size pin is used for each hole. Using the selected mounting holes allows the tractor to lift the Speedseed effectively and helps it follow the contours of the ground. Lift the machine slightly above the surface. Then gently move it back and forth until it is properly centered behind the tractor. Secure the position using the tractor sway link pins, limiting sideways movement to a maximum of 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Finally, check if the tractor's top link is level to keep the Speedseed in a horizontal position when lifting and lowering. Adjusting seeding application rate. Before making any adjustments, check the seeding chart inside the hopper. This chart helps you determine the correct settings based on the seed type and desired application rate. You can also find this chart in the operator's manual or online at redexim.com. Once you've reviewed the table, move to the side of the machine. Loosen the 2 upper turn screws. Then, check the table once more to confirm your target setting. Use the main turn screw to adjust the black seeding application dial until the correct rate is reached. The aperture gate is infinitely adjustable to suit different seed sizes. Most seeds are suitable for gate setting 0. Adjust as needed according to the manual. Once the setting has been made, fill the hopper with seed and securely close the lid. Adjustments. To improve performance on undulated surfaces, you can add weights for better penetration and shorten the top link to increase downward pressure on the front spiked rollers. Start procedure. Begin with the Speedseed lifted off the ground. Start driving forward at a steady pace. Do not exceed a forward speed of 12 kilometers per hour or 7.5 miles per hour. Then gently lower the machine onto the surface. The seeding rate automatically adjusts to your ground speed, ensuring even and consistent application. Stop procedure. Reduce your speed, then gently lift the Speedseed off the ground while continuing to drive forward. Never make sharp turns or reverse. While the spiked rollers are still in contact with the surface, this can cause damage to the machine. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Speedseed. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more, don't forget to consult the manual and the black tube on the machine or at redexim.com. And of course, your local Redexim representative is always available to help and ensure you are well supported.